3. Part number 2, ax square plus 4x minus a equals to 0. Now what is the step? Zero divided by a. After this, b by a plus 4 by ax minus a by a. And what will be the answer of 0 by a? 0. Now we cancel a by a by a. Remaining terms are x square plus 4 by ax minus 1 equals to 0. Now it's time for step number 2. What is step number 2? Shift constant term
सॉल्यूशन हर बच्चे को नजर आ रहा है? Wait a minute, there is an internet issue.
or shift constant term to right hand side. What is constant term? Here it is minus 1. X squared plus 4 by a x equals to 1. Step 2 is clear. Now we start step number 3. What is step number 3? Add coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square on both sides. How can we simplify it? Coefficient of x mean here we have 4 by a. 4 by a divided by 2 mean 4 by a multiplied by 1 by 2, 4 by 2a. And by taking square on both sides, we have 4 by 2a square. So we add 4 by 2a whole square on both sides. X square plus 4 by a x plus 4 by, or we can simplify it by cancelling 2 by 2. We have left only whole square equals to 1 plus 4 by 2a whole square. 2 cancelled by 4 and we have only 2. In next step, x square plus 4 by ax plus 2 by a whole square equals to 1 plus 2 by a whole square. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. What will be the next step? On left hand side, it is a complete square. On left hand side, it becomes complete square. It becomes x plus 2 by a whole square equals to 1 plus 2 mean 4, 2 squares mean 4, a square mean a square. After this, we simplify on right hand side. How can we simplify? By taking LCM. What is the LCM of a square and 1? Is it a square? 1 multiplied by a square and 4 multiplied by 1. A square plus 4 by a square, and on left hand side we have x plus 2 by a whole square. X plus 2 by a whole square. After this, we use step number 4 by taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. X plus 2 by a whole square equals to a square plus 4 by a square. By taking square root on both sides, this 2 cancel by this square root, and we left on left hand side x plus 2 by a equals to, when we use square root, we use plus and minus sign on right hand side. We have plus minus a square plus 4 by a square root. After this, we can write that a square plus 4 square root divided by square root a square, which we studied in 9th class. What we studied? We have a by b square root, it means square root a by square root b. Now, this square and square root will be cancelled. On left hand side we have x plus 2 by a plus minus a square plus 4 square root and a. We cannot cancel 4 and square root, or we cannot take out a square outside the square root because we have plus sign between them. Explain. A square plus 4 is not equals to a plus 2 because it cannot be cancelled by like this. So don't do this. Most of students cancel a square by square root. Is it totally wrong? Because when first we add them and then we take square root. पहले हम इन्हें ऐड करेंगे और फिर हम square root लेंगे. Otherwise it is totally wrong. No? X plus 2 by a equals to plus minus a square plus 4 square root by a. Now we shift this term to right hand side and we get minus 2 by a plus minus a square plus 4 by a. After this, by taking LCM, a will be same. A will be same. Minus 2 plus minus a square plus 4. This is our final answer or solution set. Minus 2 plus minus a square plus 4 by a. Okay student, recall it again and then if you have any problem, we take your questions. Okay, start from the beginning. Our question is ax plus 4x minus a equals to 0 is solve it by completing square method. By completing square method. What is our step number 1? Step number 1, divide equation by the coefficient of x square. Here, what is the coefficient of x square? It is a. We divide ax square plus 4x minus a by a ax square divided by a plus 4 by ax minus a by a equals to 0. After cancelling, we have x square plus 4 by ax minus 1 equals to 0. What is step number 2? Step number 2, shift constant term to right hand side. What is constant term? Minus 1. We shift minus 1 to right hand side, it become plus 1. And what is step number 3? Add coefficient of x by 2 whole square on both sides. X square plus 4 by ax plus 4 by 2a whole square equals to 1 plus 4 by 2a whole square. 4 and 2 will be cancelled out by 2 and we have left 2 by a. On right hand side we gain left 2 by a. On left hand side we have perfect square. X plus 2 by a whole square equals to 1 plus 4 by a square on left hand side. By taking LCM we get square 1 dot a square plus 4 dot 1. 1 dot a square mean a square, 4 dot 1 mean 4. And what is step number 4? Just taking square root on both sides. When we take square root, 2 will be cancelled by square root, and we left on left hand side x plus 2a. On right hand side we have plus minus a square plus 4 by a square square root. We can write this as, and after this we have plus minus a square plus 4 square root by a. Now on left hand side we shift to a, on right hand side we have minus a by 2 by a plus minus square root a square plus 4 by a. Again we take here LCM. By taking, we have our required answer. Now if you have any question,
Student, do
student,
you
do you
have any
have any
question?
question?
Now raise your hand. Mother Hafiz.